Hello, this is Anna from BIMobject, and today I introduce you the BIMobject made by OLI, specialized in the hydraulic systems. In this video, I will show you how can we use the OLI products in a project. We need to add a OLI product, so we can use the Integrate BIMobject app for Revit. To search it, we can use the filters or write the name of the brand, and we can see the first product of OLI. We choose Inox Linear Element. After the choose, we can find the product page of the object. In this page, we find some data, pictures, descriptions, and links for OLI website for further information of this product. Then we have classifications, the list of countries where the product is available, and some properties. Thanks to the product page, you can also contact OLI and follow it to be always updated about OLI's releases. There is also the possibility to mark this product as a favorite one and see it in our BIM board. On the product page, we find also the 3D preview, where we can see also the property of the chosen product. Now the download. Thanks to BIMobject app, the object is automatically downloaded in Revit and is ready to be inserted in the project. With the OLI pipe, you have the possibility to connect directly with another element. OLI has given also the possibility to change the socket type. This functionality allows us to mirror the object without losing map connection. The type property data shows the information available for this product, such as the material, and we can find also the links for the website and the specifications. We can also change the level of the detail and to see the object with symbols. Now we add another OLI product, the anti-wind cap. In the same way as before, we connect this element with the pipe. Thanks to BIMobject app, we can always check the update of the product. And with Properties button, we can add further data. Now we are preparing for 3D visualization. We use the realistic graphic and insert the crop view. Thanks to the property of the material, we can see a realistic effect of steel. Thanks for watching this video and follow us on BIMobject.com.